Our master show with red clay. Red clay we obtain from the red river and we are using it for kitchen stuff, for cooking pan. And on the wall is made by white clay. White clay we obtain from a volcanic mountain in this area and we are using it for decoration or for serving. Is it first time from the Cappadocia?
First time?
Yes.
Did you like it?
Yes.
Perfect. Where are you from, by the way? We can start here.
From US.
From US,
India.
India,
Australia.
Australia,
World
all of
Germany.
Germany,
Bulgaria.
Bulgaria. Perfect. Ich bin Mohammed. Ich bin 19. No. How can I say 20?
20.
20 Jahre alt. Alles gut?
Yes, perfect.
I have so many friends from India. I know 7 words in Hindi. Jalo, Namaste, Lelo Lelo, Jelly Jelly, Acha Acha,
धन्यवाद
Bas,
धन्यवाद
Shukriya.
धन्यवाद.
My uncles know 7 languages, so each language I know something. By the way, you guys, this one's our kick wheel. Normally we use electrical wheel as well, but for demonstration, we are using kick wheel. You can take a picture with you feeling on home. By the way, one picture, one video, $100. How does it look? Looks easy or difficult?
Difficult.
In your country also you made a pot?
Yeah, but I am not familiar with this. My country loves pottery actually.
Yes. By the way, yes, this art really wants to be experienced. For example, if you want to be master, it's wants to be just 6 years experience for this art. And if you want to be grandmaster, it's wants to minimum 25 years experience. And our master has some, by the way, 8 years experience for this art. He started 10 years old for me this art, and he's 18 years old now. I mean, he has done 8 years experience for this art.
Is everyone allowed to learn it or only if your family was born
Everybody is,
master?
if they want it, they can learn.
Okay.
But it's not too easy for them. Usually, lady, if you don't like school, a teenager, if you don't like school, our fathers, they told me, I can say you didn't go to one school, okay, you can pass this type of art, you can learn it, this will be your job.
Your job, yeah.
I forget it, who wants apple tea, just say. By the way, in Turkey, if you can put inside sugar. The spoon one is church tea, the other one is apple tea, by the way. No.
Ja, schon, aber nicht.
If you want to give me your rings, I will sell for you.
Also der Opa meines Bruders war
You can give me.
ein sehr
I think it's better.
Pottery Master. Ja.
Are you ready? Chalo. Jaldi chalo, jaldi chalo. Okay. Lady, first you keep your feet on the sides, the outside. Outside. Lady, in 4,000 years ago, the Hittite people, they will kick in this way. They were the first.
Erste den der andere.
Lady, excuse me. This part is any more difficult. If you want, our masters kick it for you. Raise your hands, please. Yes, both hands. Both hands.
Sie macht das mit ganzer Intention.
Other fingers don't touch, lady. Sir, if you can sit here for take a picture with you. It's your choice. How does it feel?
Very nice.
If you want, wet your hands again. Get some water on your hands. I'm waiting for master. Our master is.
Aber sieht cool aus. Ich glaube, man kann alles so machen.
She didn't listen to me.
Ja.
Second time.
Ja, geil. Damit das Wasser schön
Lady, how are you?
Okay.
Everything's good?
Yeah,
You are look like very tired.
I am.
When I'm looking,
Jet
you
lag.
have to close your eyes. Are you wake up early for
Yeah.
watching balloons?
Yeah.
You fly or just watch?
No, just watch.
Just watch. Watch is also perfect. More than 100 balloons, skies, background is holidays.
Echt
Okay.
das super. Ja, oh, oh mein Gott, ich bin so dumm. Ja, wir machen es ins Auto.
Slow.
Das machen wir jetzt oben. Ja. Ah, Sie haben es irgendwie gefixt? Ja, es ist genauso wie mein Freund. Fix irgendwie fix.
Yeah. Now, lady, you will make some decoration on the top. Waiting for master. Yes. Pinch by pinch. Pinch, space, and pinch. Okay. Tomorrow 8 o'clock, you can work with us. Bye bye. Pick it up. Like this, more easier. And lady. Chalo. This way. To wash your hands. Oh,